The Mumbai police has just addressed a press conference where they've pointed fingers at a massive fake television rating points or TRP fixing scandal, and it has positively exploded just now. The Mumbai Police Commissioner Parambir Singh has exposed what he says is a 42,000 crore rupee scam to inflate television rating points. That's the system by which viewership is measured and advertising rates decided. The Mumbai's top cop has named Republic TV and accused it of fixing TRPs by paying households 400 to 500 rupees each to watch their channel instead of others. Parambir Singh has also accused Republic TV of spreading propaganda against the Mumbai police and revealed that they already have arrested 2 people with regard to this scandal. He's also revealed that Republic TV directors and promoters will soon be summoned.
BARC ने जो अपनी एनालिटिकल रिपोर्ट सबमिट की है उसमें जो नाम सामने आया है वो है रिपब्लिक टेलीविज़न का, जिसमें के सस्पिशन ट्रेंड्स टीआरपी के देखे गए। हमने ऐसे कस्टमर्स जिनको अप्रोच किया गया था, मैनिपुलेट किया गया था, जब उनको बुला के उनसे पूछताछ करी तो उन्होंने एडमिट किया कि उनको पैसा दिया गया था ये विशेष चैनल को ऑपरेट करने के लिए। ऐसे कुछ व्यक्तियों को लाके उनके बयान नोट किए गए हैं, उन्होंने कंफर्म किया है और इसमें आगे की कार्रवाई की जा रही है। जैसे मैंने आपको बताया, 2 चैनल के ओनर्स फक्त मराठी एंड बॉक्स सिनेमा के ओनर्स को ऑलरेडी अरेस्ट कर लिया गया है और अब हमारे जो गुने के इन्वेस्टिगेशन में जो अब सामने आ रहे हैं वो रिपब्लिक टीवी के वहाँ काम करने वाले लोग या उस कंपनी के डायरेक्टर्स या प्रमोटर्स इन्वॉल्व होने के चांसेस हैं। आगे का इन्वेस्टिगेशन उसके हिसाब से रिपब्लिक टेलीविज़न के डायरेक्टर्स, प्रमोटर्स या बाकी जो लोग इसमें इन्वॉल्व हैं उनके खिलाफ आगे का इन्वेस्टिगेशन किया जा रहा है। एक नया रैकेट जो कि मुंबई पुलिस के हमारी क्राइम ब्रांच के हाथ लगा है, अनर्थ किया गया है। ये रैकेट है फॉल्स टीआरपी का। इन्वेस्टिगेशन के दौरान ये बात सामने आई कि कुछ एक्स एम्प्लॉयज़ हंसा के, जो कि बीआरसी के साथ काम करते हैं, वो इस डेटा को कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ कर रहे थे, टेलीविज़न चैनल से शेयर कर रहे थे और शेयर करने के बाद उन हाउस होल्ड्स को जिनका डेटा दिया जा रहा था पैसा देकर टीआरपी को मैनिपुलेट करने का कार्य किया जा रहा था। अभी तक जो हमारे सामने जानकारी आई, जो अब तक इन्वेस्टिगेशन हुआ, उसमें 3 ऐसी आइडेंटिटीज़ हैं या 3 ऐसे चैनल्स कहूँगा जिनके बारे में हमको जानकारी प्राप्त हुई है, एविडेंस प्राप्त हुई है। 2 तो छोटे चैनल थे, एक तो फक्त मराठी और दूसरा बॉक्स सिनेमा। आई रिपीट, फक्त मराठी एंड बॉक्स सिनेमा। इनके जो ओनर्स हैं उनको आज कस्टडी में ले लिया गया है, अरेस्ट कर लिया गया है। एक पहले हमने हंसा का एम्प्लॉई पहले अरेस्ट किया, एक्स एम्प्लॉई, और उससे जानकारी मालूम पड़ी कि इस प्रकार के उसके और भी कुछ साथी थे जो हंसा के लिए काम करते थे, बीआरसी के लिए काम करते थे। 2 व्यक्तियों का अरेस्ट करके कोर्ट में प्रोड्यूस किया गया। उनकी हमको कस्टडी 9 अक्टूबर तक मिल चुकी है और उनके कुछ साथी हम उनको ढूंढ रहे हैं। कुछ मुंबई में हैं, कुछ मुंबई से बाहर भी हो सकते हैं। जो ये कार्य करते थे, इन चैनल्स के बिहाफ पे ये लोग जाकर हाउस होल्ड्स को पैसा देते थे पर मंथ के हिसाब से, और कुछ चैनल्स को कॉन्स्टेंटली अपने घर में ऑपरेट करने के लिए मैनिपुलेट किया जा रहा था। जो एक व्यक्ति पकड़ा गया है उसके अकाउंट से हमने करीब 20 लाख रुपए सीज़ कर लिए हैं और उसके अलावा करीब 8.5 लाख रुपया कैश में हमने उसके बैंक लॉकर से भी जब्त कर लिया है। जो मैनिपुलेटेड हाउस होल्ड्स थे, जो डेटा मैनिपुलेट किया जा रहा था, उन हाउस होल्ड्स को बोला जाता था कि आप किसी विशेष चैनल को ऑन रखिएगा, आप देखें या ना देखें, लेकिन ये चैनल ऑन रहना चाहिए। आप घर में हैं या नहीं हैं, ये चैनल ऑन रखिए। और ऐसा भी देखने को आया कि कुछ व्यक्ति तो जो अनपढ़ हैं, अनएजुकेटेड हैं, उनके घर में इंग्लिश के चैनल्स को ऑन करके रखने की डील की गई थी।
I want to go across to India today. Is Divyesh Singh, who's been tracking this story. He attended that press conference as well. Divyesh, the Mumbai Police Commissioner says 2 people have been arrested so far. He named those 3 channels. He said many more people are going to be called in for questioning. But first, you know, because I don't want us to assume that our viewers fully understand how the viewership game actually works. So can you explain to us, break it down in very simple language, Divyesh, what is the allegation? What is the Mumbai police saying that these channels have done?
Shiv, explaining the TRP measurement, how it is done. So there are barometers which are placed at, concerning Mumbai, there are 2,000 such locations where these barometers are placed. These are at 2,000 households, and some ex-employees of an agency named Hansa, which works for BARC, which is the TRP monitoring agency, they had been involved in manipulating data which was being measured by these barometers at the 2,000 households, which are to be kept confidential. This detail is not to be released in public domain. This shouldn't be known by anyone. But despite that, these ex-employees of Hansa, which is the agency which works for BARC, they had been manipulating data for particularly 3 channels, of which 2 are smaller channels. 2 are Fakt Marathi and Vox Cinema, while the third is Republic TV. That was using the ex-employees of Hansa, and also it is suspected that some insiders from BARC and Hansa could be involved. They were paying a monthly sum to some of the households. Some of the households which the Mumbai police visited, they even found that those were in slums, those were uneducated people who were throughout the day out on their jobs, but they were being told to keep a particular channel like Republic TV on their TV sets throughout the day, and they were paid a sum of rupees 400 to 500 a month. Though the amount might be small, but this was only in terms of Mumbai. And Mumbai Police Commissioner clearly indicated that if this was happening in Mumbai, there are high chances that this was happening in other such centers across the country as well, where TRP monitoring was being done by BARC.
Let me bring in Divyesh, one second. Let me just bring in Saurabh Bhaktania as well, to give us a perspective on Republic TV. He's reporting from right outside the Republic TV office in Mumbai. Saurabh, what next as far as Republic TV is concerned? The Mumbai police has said that they're going to call in some senior members of the channel for questioning. When is that going to happen? In what form will that happen? Take us through what we know so far.
Well, Shiv, the case which the Mumbai police has built is very serious in nature, and now what the Mumbai police is going to focus is about the last 3 months. Now, before that, let me show the current visuals outside the Republic office. This is the head office of Republic TV in Mumbai. We tried to get in touch with them. We tried to ask them questions based on the FIR which has been filed by the Mumbai police. Mumbai police is clearly saying that they are going to call the office bearers of this particular media house. They will be called for questioning. But look at the situation, Shiv. When we were present right outside the office, they were not even allowing us to shoot. We explained them, this is a public place. This is not your private property. We are not going in your premises. But they called in so many security guards. Look at over here. From this particular barricade to the other gate, all security guards are present. Now they have called the Mumbai police officials for the bandobast over here. We are trying to ask them simple question, what they have to say about the allegations, the big case which has been filed by the Mumbai police officials, but they are not saying anything. Now, this is very serious in nature because The TRP which is generated, the ratings which have been given, that happens through the barometers. Now what this whole case is about, the barometers which were placed in Mumbai, Shiv, there are around 2,000 barometers which have been placed all over Mumbai. They are very serious in nature because the address where those barometers are kept, they are very undisclosed, like no one knows about it. Now through these people who are arrested, these 3 media houses got in touch with them, they bribed them, and therefore this is the section of cheating which is applied by the Mumbai police. They bribed them to keep on these channels on all the time. The customers who are actually keeping this channel on, they don't even know what it is exactly, and therefore they were paid sum of around 4,000 to 500 rupees. So this is nothing, and the particular TRP which generates, and through that the advertising market is of around 50,000 crore, Shiv. And therefore what the Mumbai police is now saying, that through this fake and manipulated TRP, how much sum of amount, that may be in crores or thousands of crore, so how much this media organization was earning through it, that will be under scanner, and therefore they will also see the balance sheet, the audit reports, what the money flow was inside this company. Everything will be scrutinized. The special crime branch of Mumbai police is investigating the whole case. Very soon, Shiv, the office bearer from Republic TV channel will definitely be called for questioning. This is going to be a long case. For the other 2 media houses, their owners are directly arrested by the Mumbai police. So this is huge, if I tell you, Shiv. This is a whole scam which is going on for TRP by these media houses who are under scanner. 2 of them are already arrested.
And I just want to point our viewers, before coming back to you, Saurabh and Divyesh, I just want to point out these pictures that Saurabh has sent us of bodyguards right outside the Republic office, apparently. I think India Today's reporters were there to try and get a reaction from the channel's management on the allegations from the Mumbai police. Here's what happened.
आपके प्रॉपर्टी पर आया मैं। आपकी प्रॉपर्टी किसकी नहीं? आपकी प्रॉपर्टी नहीं है। मैं नहीं, मेरी प्रॉपर्टी नहीं है, पब्लिक प्लेस है। अरे आप हाथ कैसे लगा रहे कैमरा को? कैमरा को हाथ कैसे लगा रहे? हमारे कैमरा नहीं मारना चाहिए। क्यों नहीं मारेंगे? पब्लिक प्लेस पे मार रहे। काय करायचं काय नियम साहेब आहे तिकडे। फॉलो कर रहे हैं हम लोग। आपकी शूट करना तो आपके दिवस गेले राइट?
Saurabh, I want to come to you. This happened right outside the Republic office. There were some security guards there and bouncers apparently who weren't letting you film. What happened?
Yes. Well, Shiv, what happened actually, let me show you from there. Those are the security guards present over here. So what we decided, we need visuals from here. So we were at this particular footpath and we were actually shooting the whole office, and that was from outside, but they were not allowing us. We politely tried to explain them that this is a public property. We are not entering your premises. Look at this. This is the particular gate and we are not coming inside the gate. Even then, they tried to stop our camera. Let me tell you, my cameraman Vaibhav was manhandled. They tried to put their hands on him. They pushed him away. They also tried to put him outside this particular footpath, and that is not right. We also tried to explain the Mumbai police because they then complained the Mumbai police official. They told clearly that this is a public place. You can't stop media from shooting from public places. We are not going inside their premises. Now look at this current visual shift. How many security guards they have called in. Not just the security guards, but let me show the Mumbai police officials from ACP rank officer to senior inspector, all are present over there. Now, time and again, Shiv, I tried one of the senior most guy who came outside. I told him and explained that this is the particular FIR which has been filed by the Mumbai police. The Republic Media House is under huge scanner. The top brasses to the employees all are under scanner. What do you have to say about it? You have to get other side as well.
Okay.
But they did not answer. They did not let us in.
In fact, Saurabh, we've got some breaking news right now. You and your team are there trying to get a reaction from Republic. Republic TV has just issued a statement. And here on India Today, remember, we report all sides. We don't take any sides in the breaking of any kind of story. So here's Republic's side of this expose by the Mumbai police. They've issued a statement on this TRP rating scam as alleged by the Mumbai police, and they've said the Mumbai police allegations are false. Republic TV says that they will be filing a defamation case against the Mumbai Police Commissioner. They also said the Mumbai Police probe on the Sushant Singh Rajput death case is under a cloud. Divyesh, in fact, I want to come to you on this aspect. Okay, I'll come to you in just a moment. Okay, listen in. Before I go to Divyesh and Saurabh, back again on Republic TV statement, take a look at some of the reactions that have come in on this breaking story.
I'd like to welcome whatever the Mumbai Police Commissioner has said, and it also goes on to prove that truth will prevail despite all the lies and the propaganda that was carried out. What is very important out here is to understand that how people, their emotions, the viewers' emotions were being manipulated at the altar of a certain journalist who call themselves journalists under the garb of journalism, were running a political agenda and were also forging their TRP points to get ad revenues. This is, I think, the worst instance of, journalism or so-called journalism that has been revealed by the Mumbai police. Also shows how business seems to become a byword for journalism for a certain few in this industry. All those who are working under the garb of journalism today stand exposed for the lies, for the propaganda, and running a certain political narrative at the behest of their political masters. Today is, I would say, categorically proved through this Mumbai Police Commissioner's press conference. And we will leave no stone unturned to reveal this corrupt nexus that exists, the criminal nexus of gaming TRP points to be able to sell a certain agenda to the people of this country.
It is unethical, it is a financial crime, it is a crime to the people of our country, it is crime to all the viewers who are watching those Raddi TV. I will not call that as Republic TV, that is a pure Raddi TV. I had two questions on this. Number one, this advertisement industry, which is around 40 to 50,000 crore rupees industry, and you are aware of, and your viewers should know this thing, that advertisement rates are fixed on the basis of TRP. So if you are giving the false or you are generating the false TRP, it means you are indulging into a financial crime also. Second thing, for this TRP business, you had entered into making abuse to the particular 2 or 3 leaders we had seen. I will only ask today one question on your channel. पूछता है भारत क्यों करा था ये गंदा काम? कौन है इन गंदे काम के पीछे? पूछता है भारत.
Well, I am aghast. I am shocked to learn what has been revealed by Mumbai Police Commissioner, with certainly some amount of responsibility and certain material that he must be having, that he could come out and speak publicly what he has spoken. I must remind your viewers that media is the 4th pillar of democracy. We can't ruin or destroy democracy if one of the pillars of democracy is found to be indulging in these kinds of shameful activities. Media has great respect. Media has great name, but it has certain black sheep. And I'm glad that Mumbai Police Commissioner has been able to identify that black sheep and uncover what criminal offenses are being committed in the name of TRP, how they manipulate, fabricate, and try to earn money, earn name, and a kind of a rat race for growth in the graph of their TRP by false means. This is a serious economic offense also. This is an offense against nation. This, I would call it, a charge of sedition should be even slapped on such people who are indulging in these kinds of activities to mislead, on one hand, mislead the nation, and on the other hand, spoil a good name of media. So I think this whole thing needs to be gone into deeply, and then truth must surface, and those who are responsible for this must be dealt with by an iron hand of the law.
Okay, I want to go back to India Today's Divyesh and Saurabh, who are tracking the story. Divyesh is at the Mumbai Police Commissioner's office. Divyesh is outside the Republic TV office in Mumbai. Divyesh, we've heard Republic TV statement calling it baseless and defamatory. We know that there has been, a fight going on between the Mumbai Police and Republic TV over the Sushant Singh Rajput case. Many charges have been traded. I want you to tell me and our viewers, Divyesh, whether this revelation by the Mumbai police is part of those charges that are being traded between the two sides, or was this an investigation that was going on for a while? Because it appears to be a pretty big thing.
Shiv, let me remind that Mumbai Police's investigation in the Sushant Singh Rajput case, that has been proven correct, proven imperfect actually, in terms of the forensic evidence that has been gathered by the AIIMS forensic team. So there's a stamp on it that they had done a proper investigation in terms of whatever had been conducted. 56 statements were recorded, and the forensic report is the same as the forensic report given by the AIIMS team. So now regarding the investigation in this particular case, Mumbai Police had been investigating several social media accounts, several such people, such elements who had been trying to defame Mumbai Police. While investigating this particular case, they got a tip-off regarding some malpractices that had been happening in BARC, which is a TRP monitoring agency body, which had outsourced some of its work to an agency named Hansa. 2 ex-employees of Hansa had, in fact, been manipulating.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.